Good day everyone, I'm Orlando Ulap III and I am here to present the historical places in Tanay Rizal. So first, I will discuss the background of Tanay Rizal. Tanay, a town in the province of Rizal, has a deep historical and cultural heritage long before the Spanish arrived. It was home of indigenous groups such as the Dumagat and Remontado, who lived in harmony with nature, practicing hunting, fishing, and farming. The town was officially established in 1606 during the Spanish colonial period, originally located in flood-prone area called Inalsa. It was later moved to its present site. Spanish missionaries, particularly the Franciscans, introduced Christianity and helped build early infrastructure. One of the most prominent landmarks from this time is the San Ildefonso de Toledo Church. The Baroque-style church declared a national cultural treasure for its unique architecture and religious art. This is the actual photo of San Ildefonso de Toledo Church. The San Ildefonso de Toledo Church in Tanay Rizal features a remarkable structure which is here in front of the church. It is symbolizes Saint Ildefonso's praying for the Virgin Mary. This tree is preserved because this tree before is a old acacia tree, and they make this tree as a sculpture of Saint Ildefonsus and the Virgin Mary. So for the next one is the Tanay Hane Festival. Tanay Hane Festival is an annual celebration in Tanay Rizal, marking the town's founding anniversary and showcasing its rich cultural heritage, agricultural abundance, and commitment to environmental sustainability. Held around November 12, the Hane Festival commemorates Tanay's establishments in 1606. The festival features variety of events to celebrates the town's traditions and natural beauty. Tanay Hane Festival also shows the competition of different schools in Tanay Rizal and shows the street dancing competition. Origin and meaning of Hane. The term Hane is colloquial expression unique to Tanay, used to seek agreement for affirmation, similar to saying right or please in English. For example, a local might say, "Maganda ang Tanay Hane." In English, Tanay is beautiful, right? And this expression reflects the town's friendly and inclusive spirit. Recognizing its cultural significance, the local government adopted Hane as the festival's name to embody the community's identity and unity. Hane is also similar to Diba, and Hane is just colloquial expression unique to Tanay. So this is the photos of Tanay Hane Festival. So the next one is the Kalinawan Cave. Kalinawan Cave is an extensive multi-level cave system featuring impressive stalactite and stalagmite formations. The cave's natural beauty has made it a popular site for tourists and location for various films and television. Yung Kalinawan Cave po is marami lang nag-film doon, and one of the film doon is the Encantadia and ang Provinciano. And yung Kalinawan Cave is naging siya tourist spot because yung mga formations ng stalactite and stalagmite. Kalinawan Cave is located in Barangay Tantangkutyo, Tanay Rizal. Is a natural limestone cave system renowned for its historical significance and natural beauty. While the cave itself is a natural formation, its discovery and subsequent use have been documented in local history. Ito yung location ng Kalinawan Cave sa Tanay Rizal, and pag pupunta kayo doon, meron doon entrance fee na 40 pesos. And pagka naman gusto nyo nang meron kayong kasamang tour guide, 200 pesos siya, included na yung entrance fee doon sa pinakang cave. The Kalinawan came from word linaw, which means to settle or make things clear. The cave is dark but named Kalinawan also because during the World War, Filipino and Americans meet here and had clarifications and agreements. So this is the actual photo of the Kalinawan Cave. This is the picture of this is the picture inside the Kalinawan Cave that shows the stalagmite and stalactite formation of stones. And also this one. So the historical significance of the Kalinawan Cave. The first one is the pre-colonial Spanish era. Local folklore suggests that from the 15th to 18th century, Kalinawan Cave serves as a neutral ground where opposing parties convent to resolve conflicts, hence the name symbolizes the clarity and peace. Dito sa pre-colonial and Spanish era, yung Kalinawan Cave, dun nakikita yung mga Filipino and America para maayos nila yung conflict between the two. So, next one is the Philippine Revolution and Filipino-American War. During the late 19th and 20th centuries, the cave became a strategic hideout for Filipino revolutionaries, notably the Katipuneros, who used it as a base against Spanish colonial forces. It continued to serve a refuge during the Filipino-American War in 1990. Sa Philippine Revolution and Filipino-American War, yung Kalinawan Cave is ayun yung parang nagsilbing hideout ng mga Filipino or yung ng mga Katipuneros laban sa mga Amerikano. Last one is the World War II. In the 1940s, Kalinawan Cave provided shelter for Tanay residents during the Japanese occupation. It is also noted that Japanese soldiers utilized the cave as a hospital eventually surrendered there to Allied liberation forces. Nung World War II naman, yung Kalinawan Cave is naging shelter siya ng mga residente sa Tanay. And then kinuha ng mga Japanese yung cave na yon para gawing hospital para dun sa mga soldiers nila na nagkakasakit ganun. And then sinurrender din naman nila yung Kalinawan Cave dun sa mga Allied liberations. And Kalinawan Cave stands as the testament to the Philippines' rich history and natural beauty, offering visitors a glimpse into the past while emphasizing the importance of preserving such sites for future generations. And ito po yung references. And then, that's all. Thank you.